You work out hard and enjoy the results exercise brings you. Setting goals is important in a fitness journey, so see yourself making plans on what you will do today during your workout, and what you plan to do tomorrow, and even throughout the week. Live out your fitness journey made up of daily, easy baby steps. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Trust you can do this. Some negative thoughts might show up. It's completely and absolutely normal. Don't let them hold you back from getting fit. Learn to face it and manage it in a victorious way. Whatever makes you feel uncomfortable or makes you feel like you are not enough to reach specific results or goals, breathe into this discomfort. And as you exhale, leave it all behind. You have the power, the strength, and the abilities to get fit. All you need to do is respect the body, honoring what you can do, and acknowledging what you still cannot do. Respect yourself, your skills, and be happy for how your body can deal with physical activity, stress, giving you endurance. Honor being healthy. Honor your commitment to your fitness journey. You can do it. You take on the challenge of getting super fit every day. Now vividly imagine yourself right now having a super strong and fit body.